So, the three-eyed sea predator is 506 million years old, and not Dloam 605. Fish around and find some Mosura fintoni in the Burgess Shale near you.
I have a question.
Oh, the Nature Rail News junior correspondent has a question.
What if I had chosen blue for our bald spot repair?
Blue?
Blue.
Blue?
Blue.
Blue. If he chooses blue, I won't be able to decide between the daylily and the dotted blue-eyed grass. Both can grow under trees. Both have little blue flowers with tiny little yellow facets. Both have foliage that looks like grass, and you can cut it. Oh, what to do, what to do? I can't decide which one. Achoo! Cicadas. Butt-puckering fear.
I came to kick ass and chew bubble gum.
In a Walmart.